Hey guys, so on my last video, I spoke about how anyone can invest in property from as little as 100 Rand. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll put a link in here, so make sure that you check it out. So today, I want us to shift our focus kancane and talk about how to buy company shares that are listed on JSE through the EasyEquity platform. I'm talking about ShopRite, Bidvest, Clicks. These companies, let's say, almost every month. I mean, if you're spending a lot of money on it almost every month, why not own a piece of it? Exactly. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. So please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and let's go.
Okay, so once you're inside your EasyEquity app, you'll see these different accounts and the currencies you can use to invest in each. So there's two ways you can go about investing in South African companies. You can either use the EasyEquities ZA or the TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account. So gule EasyEquities ZA, there's no limit to how much you can put in. You can have 200 million, whatever you have in your bank account. So gule TFSA, unfortunately, you can invest up to 36,000 annually. Ne? But what I love the most about it is every income or interest that you're going to make off the TFSA is not entitled to a tax, unlike the EasyEquities ZA. Younger interest or income that you're going to make inside of it is entitled to a tax. So these are two options that you can use to invest in South African companies. Then let's move to what if you want to invest in abroad, you want to invest in Tesla, you want to invest in company international shares. Inside the USD, you'll find companies la afana about Tesla, la afana about Apple, la afana about Netflix. So these are options that you have.
Okay, so now we've covered the accounts you can use to invest. Now it's time to actually do it in real time. It's time to invest. But before we proceed, I'd really appreciate it if you can subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, share your feedback. I'd really appreciate that. So let's go.
Now that you're all set up, you want to start with my funds. That's where you'll be able to make my deposit ACO. Then you'll choose between the EasyEquities ZA or TFSA. Then let's say you decide that you want to start with the EasyEquities ZA. You click EasyEquities ZA. Then you'll see my banking details where you'll be able to do EFT directly to. So please make sure to choose the bank that you're using so that when you're making these EFT transactions, it reflects fast so that you're able to start investing right away. Ne? So let's say you are using an APSA, you'll choose the APSA, then you'll come straight Lagma banking details. Then please make sure to copy these details so that you don't make any mistake. Ne? You'll go to your app, make a payment, then copy the account name, then copy a account number, ne? Then copy a reference. This is a big one. This is the most important part because uma ufaka reference, it will indicate ukuthi le mali iqhamuka kusibusiso, iqhamuka ku-gift, whatever lo toba deposit le mali, ne? So you'll copy a reference, then that's where you'll be able to make my payments wako from your bank app yako to this account, ne? Now you have funded your account, you want to go to invest. Then you'll choose the account lo ifundile. Remember to choose in EasyEquities ZA. Then inside these equities ZA, there's different investment vehicles that you can use. You can use my individual stocks, which means you can invest gu company le one, or you can invest guma ETF. This is a basket where my shares ahlanganisiwe, ne? So you go one ETF, you'll find ukuthi kune PEP, kune JET, kune Mr. Price in one ETF. Ne? Then there's crypto. I won't speak about my ETNs or unit trust or baskets because angisenga wasebenzisa lawo, ne? I will speak on the things lesengitendile so far. Then if you are saying that you want to invest kuma EasyEquities, where in other words, which means individual stocks, you'll just go there, you look for the company that you have made research on. You'll find Foresight Holding, Accelerate Properties, you look for Mr. Price, you look for Pepper. Then if you're saying I want to feel more safer, you'll go to ETFs. That's where you'll find Cetrix Top 40, S&P 500. These are ETFs la include maybe top 40 companies la performer South Africa or S&P 500. These are top performing companies worldwide. Ne? It depends with what are your financial goals and what kind of an investor are you. Are you aggressive? If you're aggressive, you look for more my individual stocks. But if you're like me, you like playing the game safe, especially as you are starting out, then you'll start with my ETFs. Ne? If you'd like a video on that where I just go dive in deep with my ETFs or my individual stock, just let me know in the comment section. Then there's crypto. So go EasyEquity. You'll find only one platform to invest through my crypto. You'll find the EC10, which is a platform that allows you to invest good top 10 of the most performing cryptocurrencies. You'll find about Ethereum, you'll find about Polkadot, ne? So yeah, let's say now you say, okay, I've chosen Gucci, I want to invest and I know which vehicle I want to use. You'll go to, maybe let's say you want to invest my equities, individual stocks. You'll go to equities, then you'll pick one stock that you want to invest into. Then you'll say buy now if you're and the market is open, or you are buying in market isengavuli, just select guma buy it open. Okay, so now if the numbers make sense for you, you wanna go to investment amount or file that you want to invest. Let's say you want to start with 100 rand, then you say 100 rand. Then after that it will calculate how many shares are you going to get from the 100 rand wako here. Then you'll go to trade value. It's 100 rand. Estimated shares that you're going to get, it's 357.15. Investment cost, how much it's going to cost you to invest gula shares laone. You'll go to these options: buy at best available ask price, or only buy at ask less or equals to 0.2628 cent limit order. Then you'll go to fund account. If our deposited the way we spoke about earlier, you'll go to fund, then you'll fund 164 cent. Ne? Then once you are here, you'll just click low fund, then you'll be able to make my deposit work on it. There's another way to buy. Let's say you are sure it's okay. These are the shares vele lengna like consistently. So before you reach investment amount, you'll find these two options, which is buy it open or recurring. So if you're saying okay, I'm sure I want to invest in Mr. Price forever or for a certain period, you'll go to recurring. This will save you time, or you're so busy every month, come and do my deposit and all that. You'll come here at recurring, then you'll insert the price of now investor on a monthly basis, quarterly basis. It depends which one ufuna kufaka njani imali yakho on a kule period leyo of lotoba u investor ngayo. Then you'll go here na two more options. The amount excludes transaction fees. Lo 100 rand lo bachaza ukuthi uyawa excluder or uyawa include my transaction fees, ne? So you'll choose between exclude or include. Then payment method, you'll just say debit order from bank account. Look, going that not to be easy for you. Then you'll come to frequency. Are you going to be investing monthly, quarterly, annually? It's all up to you, all up to your financial goals, ne? Then you'll choose a specific day. Lofna le debit order leyo iende ngalo. Then neti 1, neti 15, then there's 28th. Normally I've picked the 15. Then you'll choose a bank account lofna leo debit order iende kuyo, ne? You'll choose the banking account. Then you'll confirm. Then you'll press continue. Then from there, let date lotoba uyifakile stop order sakho siyoba sendeka ngalelo langa. I hope you learned something, guys, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share feedback. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section.